If my wardrobe disappeared tomorrow and I had to rebuild it from scratch, I probably wouldn't repurchase some of the things I have in my wardrobe right now. Instead, I would be more intentional. So in today's video, I want to talk about some of the pieces that I will start off with that's going to make getting dressed so much easier. So I spend a lot of time figuring out what I actually wear versus what's like Pinterest ready or what I'm going to just take for social media and leave it. And girl, I don't have time for that. So I've divided this video into 4 different sections on things that I think you would need if you're also rebuilding your wardrobe. The first section is going to be the foundation. So it's only right that I start off with a good insulated jacket, and for me that's like a nice puffer coat. I don't think it's the sexiest, but I think it is the most practical because when it's cold and it's in the minus, I will not be reaching for anything else but a puffer jacket. So I have 2 jackets here that I always rotate between, and they're both still puffer. I have a standard black one from Sweaty Betty, and I feel like this is just so warm and practical. And I also have another like maroony color, purple color, just in case I want a little bit of color as well. So that one works just fine, and they're both super warm, very practical, and just, you know, it's just that what I reach for on a winter. So that's what I would suggest be the first thing, is a good warm insulated coat. The second things are some tops, and I love to get my basic tops from Uniqlo, and I love the heat tech versions. I've been getting the heat tech for a good while now, and they're just so practical but also very affordable. I have my turtlenecks, and I love me some turtlenecks. I always suggest them. I have them multiple different colors. I have like a light blue one, and I have like a lighter version, just because I do feel like they're great for just, you know, layering. They're just a nice basic piece that you can add anything on, a blazer, a cardigan, whatever it is. They just will complete the outfit. And I also have long sleeve tops, specifically this black merino one. I think it comes in different colors, but I do like Uniqlo's merino wool. It just fits really nicely. It doesn't bunch up, especially around the neck. It's a nice crew neck. It fits on the shoulders, and again acts as a nice layering piece for if you have your blazers, your cardigans, or if you're going to the office. It's just very practical. So those are the things I'll start off with, and I do suggest Uniqlo for basics because yeah, Uniqlo just be reliable. And the next thing for me is going to be a nice solid knitwear. Now, it's only right that I say 2 because I could not figure out the difference. I like to have 2 variations, a crew neck one and just a roll neck one. So I have a basic crew neck one from La Redoute. This is a lilac one, and I think this is like a wool composition. I don't think this is polyester. I think it's a really nice fabric composition. But I also have this roll neck one from Marks and Spencer's in a nice green color, and I do feel like green is just that, it's so versatile. You can pair it with pretty much everything, you know. I love green paired with orange, green and blue, you know, whatever the case is that color that you can pair with everything. Then last in the basic for me, it's just like an everyday pants, right? For you, that might be a pair of denim jeans, but for me, girl, I love me a corduroy pants. What? For me, I do not see myself wearing jeans. I rarely reach for jeans especially when it's really cold, because I feel like corduroy pants is just so comfortable. It's just, I feel like it's stylish. I don't know, it's very retro. It reminds me of the 70s, and yeah, no, I love me like a 70s, like, I don't know, I just love 70s style. I love 70s fashion, and I feel like corduroy pants just reminds me. And I find myself wearing corduroy pants everywhere. So that is pretty much my everyday pants, and I feel like these foundation pieces I can start off with and I get the most. So next category for me are going to be the outfit builders. These are the pieces that are intentional but doesn't make your wardrobe feel very boring. So the first thing for me is a good cord set, and I'll always recommend a cord set whatever season it is, just because I feel like it just makes you look put together. You don't have to try too hard, and it's just easy, right? The 2 pieces are there, you get dressed, and boom, you are instantly stylish. I have this knit cord set specifically for the winter that I got from River Island years ago. Lovely blue color. You've seen this, I worn it every single time. But I do love putting on the skirt and the jumper because I do feel warm, I feel put together, and I feel like I can always mix and match them as well, which I normally do. I normally wear the jumper on its own. So I would recommend a cord set. as just for your wardrobe instantly makes you stylish, in my opinion. The next builder for me is a leather trousers, and I feel like leather is just that material that just makes you feel way more elevated, but it also keep you warm. And I say faux leather as well because I'm a leather, mine's faux leather. I have leather trousers that I've worn. Most of the time I get my leather trousers from River Island, you know, just because I feel like River Island's tall girl friendly and I never have to struggle. So I have these joggers, these leather joggers that I feel like they can be smart casual, and if I was to wear them with heels, or if I was to wear them with, I can just dress it up basically. Leather you can dress up, you can wear with any of your knitwear, any of the things I just mentioned earlier, from the foundations, I can pair it with leather. So leather is just that quality, girl, for winter time, even in the autumn. But anyway, sticking to winter. Now the next piece for me, which is in the builder, and this is going to be a midi skirt, simply because y'all know me, I love a granny chic style, and I just feel like a midi skirt is just so modest. Like a pleated midi skirt or chiffon midi skirt, it's just so modest and it's just practical. I don't always like wearing jeans, and for me in the winter time I can always wear like tights underneath, you know, these insulated tights. I can wear whatever, I can wear with some chunky boots, and I just feel like I can wear like a nice jumper and a midi skirt and some boots, and I feel like that's just a really nice outfit formula on its own. And put on my little parka jacket, my puffer jacket, and bam, that's my outfit sorted, right? You know. The next category is the comfort non-negotiables. So these are items that's really, really comfortable, that you just love, that you always wear because, girl, it just adds that level of comfort. So two things for me in this category, just keep it very, very simple. Is the first one is my combat boots. Yeah, combat boots. Especially the mid-calf ones, specifically, those are the ones I reach for all the time. I find them to be very versatile, but I also call them my tractors. I always say my combat boots, aka my tractors, just because they're perfect for different weather conditions. It's snowing, it's raining, I would reach for these bad boys, right? And I can wear them with so many different things. And the next one is a sweatshirt, like a nice sweatshirt. Girl, I love me a sweatshirt. I feel like, I was gonna say hoodie or sweatshirt, but I feel like hoodie and a sweatshirt, I can pretty much have them in the same category. So a sweatshirt is just very, very casual. You can wear them in the house. You can just be out and about, pretty much your house clothes, or you can elevate them. You can wear them with like a turtleneck underneath, or like a crew neck like a white tee underneath with some your leather joggers, and it just elevates the look. Or you can even pair like a sweatshirt with like a midi satin skirt, and bam, you kind of get that relaxed, casual, dressy outfit vibe. Or you can pair like a shirt underneath. You get the picture, right? I swear by a sweatshirt. So those are the two non-negotiable comfortable items for me in my winter wardrobe. Let me know what yours are. Moving into the final category, and these are going to be the personality pieces. This is what makes your wardrobe makes you shine, like just quite that, you know, creme de la creme, you know, they just add the style to your outfits. So for me, the first one is a vest, and this is the vest I thrifted. I got this, I think, in Italy. Honestly, it was like €3, but I swear by this vest. I wear it throughout winter, and I love pairing it with my knitwear. I feel like it just adds my own style to it, you know what I mean? It's just fun, and it's inexpensive. It's just, I feel like when you add that extra layer to your outfit, it just really adds something to it, you know. It just makes it way more interesting, and there's a story behind it as well. The next personality piece that you'll see me all the time, and that's just my hats. I'm pretty much a collector at this point. My Baker Boy hats, love them. I love to have them in different colors, different shapes. They just add something to my outfit. They're like a nice finisher, and yeah, plus they're practical. They keep my head warm because, girl, it's winter time, so you know, short hair ain't about that life. And the woolly hats don't work because they just mess up like my waves. So yeah, they serve two purposes, my very much functional and stylish. And then I think the last personality item I have quite a few, but I just want to I couldn't decide, and that's just going to be like a nice fun outerwear. That could be, I'm going to just be cheeky and share two anyways. The first one is like a nice bold blazer. I love my orange blazer, especially in the winter time. It's just so unexpected. It's just one of those ones I'm like, ooh, what are you wearing? You know what I mean? So I love wearing that. But also the last item is my coat that I thrifted. I do find the most interesting pieces are always ones that I buy secondhand. So this one, I just love the shape of it, and I feel like leopard print just doesn't go out of style. And also it's just oversized, so I can wear all my heavy chunky knits underneath and I can layer up and I don't feel too bulky. So this is one I do find myself wearing quite a bit, especially this coat. And I think I got this in Paris in a secondhand shop. One of the best purchases, honestly. So those are like my personality pieces. Let me know what yours are, and these are the items that I would include if I was to rebuild my wardrobe from scratch. And I'd love to hear yours. If you find this video helpful and you want to see more content like this, you can check out this playlist right here. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you over here. Bye.